Hi, this is Ron Alva with High Performance Mechanical Training. We're here looking at IT skills for HVAC technicians, and I wanted to show you some live video of an actual job. We've got a little test bench set up here and show you some of the items and issues that we've been talking about in this video. The first thing that you see here is that the control panel door is open. And you'll notice that inside the control panel door, I have the name of the web-based supervisory controller, that is NCE1, and I've got the IP address listed as well, 192.168.1.1. Directly underneath that, I've got the IP address of the server. This particular system has a server, and that IP address is 192.168.1.99, and the server name is ADS-1. Now you cannot always go by these listings on the inside of the control panel, but they are a very good place to start. Now I'm going to pan over here for a moment, and I'm going to look at part of the front of the web-based supervisory controller. You will notice that there are a number of indicator lights, LED lights, on the web-based supervisory controller that are flashing. From a troubleshooting standpoint, this is always a really good place to start, and that is true of the HVAC technician, and that is true also of the end user operator in the building. From top to bottom, you'll first notice that there is a power light that is on. That's good. That means we have power, 24 volts AC. And then underneath that, there's a fault light, which is not lit. If it was in fault, it would be red. And of course, that's a really good one to know. You don't know what the fault is, but you can certainly see if there's a fault present in the device. The next two lights indicate controller level bus activity. The light underneath that, in the second section of lights, is called a battery fault light. And the battery fault light indicates just that. This device could have a bad backup battery. Directly underneath that, we've got some Ethernet lights, and you can see these lights will be blinking or on steady. We've got an Ethernet activity light that blinks when there is Ethernet activity, and then it tells us what speed it's connected at, either 10 megabaud or 100 megabaud. It could also be 1 gigabaud today as well. Directly underneath that is a run light, and that tells us whether this device is up and operational. The last light on the left side is called PeerCom, and PeerCom is a light that indicates server level bus activity. So these lights are very useful for troubleshooting problems with these. As a matter of fact, if I remove the cable from the Ethernet at my little switch here, you'll notice that the Ethernet light goes away and the connection speed goes away and the PeerCom goes away as well. So that would indicate that we've got an Ethernet bus activity problem. We've got a cable problem. We've got a router problem. We've got an infrastructure problem. I'm going to go ahead and plug that back in down here so you can see those lights come back again. And in a few seconds you see indeed that we have Ethernet activity once more, and then the PeerCom light should flash for a few seconds as it transmits data to the server in just a few moments.